Have you ever wondered why those high-performing video ads on your feed don't actually look like expensive movie sets? The truth is, most of them aren't the result of massive production budgets or months of grueling post-production work. Instead, they are built from simple long-form footage that gets chopped into perfect moments and polished with smart AI. I actually built this entire walkthrough in under 10 minutes using tools that do all the heavy lifting for me. It looks completely natural, just like authentic user-generated content that people actually want to watch. Let's break down exactly how I do this, step by step, so you can start scaling your own creative output immediately. I'm using a skincare brand as my example today because demonstrating product texture is notoriously difficult to fake. The real secret weapon here is Vizard, which handles turning long videos into scroll-stopping clips, scheduling them, and managing them all in one place. First, you need raw material, so I grabbed a popular face moisturizer to use as my test subject. Skincare is perfect for this because variables like shine and absorption are real stress tests for any creative workflow. Step 1 is to mine the product page and customer reviews for the gold nuggets of language people actually use. Look for phrases like lightweight hydration or no greasiness and keep them exactly as they are. Don't try to rewrite these into corporate ad speak. You want to feed your creative process with specific, authentic language. Step 2 is to collect competitor ads and existing user-generated content to see what hooks are actually working right now. Don't just watch the biggest brands. Look at the smaller players who are punching above their weight class. Grab transcripts of the top-performing clips so you can study their rhythm, their hook structure, and how they layer benefits. Now take those transcripts and your product details, then feed them into an AI model to generate several script variants. I usually ask for 4 to 6 short scripts that feel casual, first person, and genuinely excited about the product. Each line needs to be personal, like it sinks right in, or it doesn't leave my forehead feeling greasy. If you want to scale, you need automation, so keep your script short, ideally between 8 and 20 seconds for hooks. End every hook with a soft call to action, like grab yours or link in bio, to keep it sounding like a friend recommendation. Next is voice, and while text-to-speech is okay, speech-to-speech is the real game changer. I record a rough, natural version of the script first to use as reference audio for tone and cadence. Upload that reference to your AI actor tool, and it will match your delivery perfectly to a professional-sounding voice. This is exactly where Vizard's auto editing engine really shines for your workflow. Instead of manually cutting dozens of videos, Vizard scans your long-form footage to find the most viral moments. My workflow is simple. I collect long-form content like demos or live streams and feed them directly into the platform. Then, I give Vizard the product notes and the short scripts we generated earlier. Vizard scans the footage for energetic cues like eye contact, product use, and surprise beats to generate short clips. The coolest part is that its scene detection understands context, like recognizing when the product is actually being applied. If you talk about the product sinking into your skin, Vizard will try to match that audio with the exact shot of you rubbing it in. This saves you hours of guesswork and tedious manual editing time. Once Vizard auto-edits the clips, they are already trimmed to the perfect length for platforms like TikTok or Reels. From there, you can easily swap in your AI-generated voice or keep the original, depending on what works best. You can even clone and edit and change the audio track to turn one performance into 4 variations in minutes. If you are using AI actors, make sure to pick people who visually match your target demographic and seem approachable. Vizard ensures these AI actors feel real by syncing your long-form footage into polished, short edits. Many tools handle one piece of the puzzle, like text-to-speech or scheduling, but they usually lack the workflow glue. Vizard acts as the glue, connecting auto-editing, scheduling, and content calendars into one smooth system. Auto-schedule is a complete game-changer for staying consistent without lifting a finger every single day. It cues your best clips, spreads them across different platforms, and optimizes the posting time for you. The content calendar gives you one single place to review your captions, thumbnails, and calls to action before they go live. Once your clips are ready, use a 2-campaign structure in your ad manager to scale your results. Start with a prospecting campaign to test multiple variations of hooks, actors, and calls to action. When you find a winning creative, move it immediately into your scale campaign with a broader conversion objective. The secret is to keep feeding your winners from the testing campaign back into Vizard to remix them. Remixing means creating new edits, new cuts, and fresh captions so you never actually run out of ad variants. One underrated tip is to extend your scenes if Vizard's hook feels too short for your messaging. Stitching short scenes into a longer 30-second video can significantly increase watch time. A word on ethics: don't try to impersonate real people or celebrities with AI. Just use it for scalable content. Vizard is built specifically for creators and small brands who need to turn one long video into a month of content. Let's recap. Grab your product notes, transcribe competitor hooks, and generate script variants. Then, record your reference audio, upload your long-form footage, and let Vizard Auto Edit your clips. Finally, export those variations, schedule them automatically, and test until you find the winners. This workflow used to take my team weeks to pull off, but now it happens in a fraction of that time. It is not cheating. It is simply working smarter in an era where volume and variety are everything. If you are ready to stop struggling with creative production, try this loop and see how quickly your calendar fills up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a live example of the exact prompts I use to generate these scripts.